Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be showing you a very interesting API by WHOIS called WHOIS Fetch. And what this API does is it gets you information about an IPv4 and IPv6 address. So the interesting thing about this API is that it uses the registration data access protocol, that's RDAP, to fetch IP information. So this is much better than fetching IP information with WHOIS, as the RDAP provides more detailed and structured IP information. So we'll try this out and we'll see what you can do with this. So to start using this, come over to rapidapi.com/organization/WHOIS, and under published API, scroll down to the end and you see WHOIS Fetch. Then come over to pricing and you can subscribe to start using this API for free. So let's get back to endpoints and let's test this out. So we'll scroll down to the request body and let's put in the IPv6 example. So to use this API in your own software or your own script, you can select the code you use here and just copy this code and use this in your own software outside of Rapid API. Let's try this out. So this returns IPv6 information of that particular IP address that we put in the request body, and this gives a very detailed and structured information for that IP address. So you can see different things like the country code, the CIDR. So we check the description and we can see that this is owned by Google. And if you scroll down, you see network information, you see the CIDR, you see events, notices, and you get more information like contact information under here. And this just gives you very detailed information about that IP address. So this is much more detailed and structured than the traditional WHOIS Fetch. So this API is named WHOIS Fetch, but it uses the RDAP protocol to get this information for you. So let's try the IPv4 example and let's test this endpoint. So we have our results here and we can see this is owned by UUNet US, and we see the network information, and this is a very detailed and structured way to fetch IP information for both IPv4 and IPv6 addresses. So this has been WHOIS Fetch by WHOIS. If you have any questions about this, leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to also follow our LinkedIn page, WHOIS. I'll leave a link to that in the description below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.